If you're over 50 and waking up to deeper wrinkles, sagging skin, and tired eyes, it's not just your age. It could be your night routine. What you do in the last hour before sleep has a huge impact on how quickly your skin ages and how well it repairs overnight. This video walks you through a powerful, proven nighttime routine tailored specifically for mature skin. Designed to restore moisture, rebuild collagen, and leave you waking up glowing. No gimmicks, no 12-step programs, just simple, science-backed steps to help you look younger and feel more confident every morning. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip that most women completely overlook, but that can take years off your face over time. Your skin does most of its healing and regeneration while you sleep. During the night, your body produces more human growth hormone, reduces inflammation, and shifts into repair mode. But with age, your skin becomes thinner, drier, and slower to bounce back, especially after menopause. This is exactly why nighttime care is your best defense against aging. Let's start building a night routine that works with your body, not against it. Start by cleansing your skin, but gently. Many women over 50 are using foaming or drying cleansers that strip away natural oils. Instead, choose a creamy or oil-based cleanser that removes makeup, pollution, and SPF without leaving your skin tight or itchy. If you wear makeup, double cleansing is ideal. First with an oil cleanser, followed by a gentle cream cleanser. Always pat your face dry with a soft towel, no rubbing or tugging. Next, exfoliate, but not every night. As we age, our skin doesn't shed dead cells as efficiently. That buildup can lead to a dull, rough complexion. Exfoliating once or twice a week with a gentle lactic acid or fruit enzyme can help speed up skin renewal and improve product absorption. Skip gritty scrubs that can damage mature skin. Instead, go for mild chemical exfoliants that leave skin soft and glowing, not raw. Once your skin is clean and prepped, it's time for the most powerful step, targeted treatment. This is where you apply a collagen-boosting serum or active ingredient. Retinol is the gold standard. It stimulates collagen, reduces fine lines, and smooths skin texture. But if you're new to retinol or have sensitive skin, start slow. Use it just once or twice a week. Natural alternatives like bakuchiol or peptide serums are great options too. They're gentler but still effective. Apply just a few drops and let it absorb fully before moving on. Now lock it all in with a rich night cream. Mature skin loses moisture quickly, especially overnight. A nourishing moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, squalane, niacinamide, or ceramides can restore hydration and strengthen the skin barrier. Massage it in gently using upward strokes, especially around the jawline, cheeks, and neck. This not only improves circulation but also helps relax tension held in the face. Think of this step as tucking your skin in for the night. Don't forget your eyes. The skin around your eyes is thinner and more prone to fine lines. Choose an eye cream with caffeine, peptides, or vitamin K to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Using your ring finger, gently tap the product into the skin. Never rub. Over time, this helps smooth out crow's feet and keep your eyes looking bright and well-rested. What you do internally matters too. Collagen production naturally declines with age, but you can support it from within. About an hour before bed, take a collagen peptide supplement in a calming drink, like chamomile tea, golden milk, or aloe vera juice. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are especially effective and may help improve skin elasticity and hydration in just a few weeks. Even if you don't supplement, staying hydrated before bed prevents overnight dehydration, a major cause of morning puffiness and deepened lines. Now let's talk sleep setup. Your pillowcase matters more than you think. Cotton pillowcases pull moisture from your skin and create friction that leads to wrinkles over time. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce creasing and help your skin stay smooth. Even better, try sleeping on your back. Side and stomach sleeping presses your face into the pillow, which can lead to long-term sagging. And finally, set the mood for true rest. Stress is one of the biggest collagen destroyers. Create a calming bedtime environment with dim lighting, soft music, or a lavender diffuser. Turn off screens at least 30 minutes before bed, and consider reading or light stretching to wind down. The calmer your mind, the better your sleep, and the more your skin gets to repair and renew. Bonus tip: don't skip facial massage. Before bed, take 2 minutes to do a simple facial massage with your fingertips or a jade roller. This stimulates circulation, encourages lymphatic drainage, and helps relax tense facial muscles. Use gentle upward strokes and small circular motions. Over time, this habit can improve skin tone, reduce puffiness, and support natural lifting. It's an easy, calming ritual that gives big results. You don't need a drawer full of products to look younger, you just need the right routine. By cleansing gently, using active treatments, hydrating deeply, supporting your skin from the inside, and setting up your sleep for success, you're giving your body every opportunity to restore, rebuild, and glow overnight. Try this routine for just 2 weeks and you'll notice the difference. Softer skin, fewer lines, and a brighter, more refreshed you in the mirror. Thanks for watching Better Health Over 50. Subscribe for more natural routines, age-defying nutrition, and wellness tips that actually work. Because aging is inevitable, but how you age is up to you.